Pushing 60 right now, looking for a 64 fill. By all means, this 59 to 64, it is a tradable level. There's probably, I'm sure, guys in the room that are taking it right now. And the main way to manage this, if you are watching this video in retrospect, is to move your stop down to break even as quickly as possible, because when we have levels up here in this mid 70s, there's a chance we're still going to get there. But you can also scalp this 64 to 59 level for a quick 7-10 pips, and then try to go ahead and close the position and wait for a better price to get up here. But sometimes we will blow through this original level, and you'll end up taking a small loss, reposition yourself in the 70s to then make back up the loss and then put you in a profit. Getting great bounces from this level already. It went, I think we had a high of 60, which if you would have got that high, you could have been at break even, 62 actually. So already pushing 9 points from the high right now. Definitely be at break even looking to take some points off the table and then see if we can get one more run up here to the 70s, and that's the level it looks like I'll be playing. And here we go. I took 2 positions here at 75 and change. Gonna go ahead and set my stop at 80. And I'll fill out the rest of my position up here at 78, 79. Here we have the dollar yen. I am gonna take this active level. I want 30 though. There it is. Again, 5 pip stop here as well is gonna put us at 25. And we're starting to get our bounce here at the euro dollar. I'll go to break even as soon as possible. This 75.9. Again, for those of you that are new to the system and just getting into trading, I don't recommend taking multiple positions at once. It's hard enough just to focus on one currency pair when you first get going. And even, I mean, we have some guys that have been with us 5-6 years and they still only trade one currency pair at a time. So it's very easy to make mistakes when you're trying to multitask here. But getting ready to move up to break even on this trade here as well at 30.3. And then we're pretty much in 2 risk-free positions. That's the main thing I always try to focus on in any of the trades I take, is just trying to get to a break-even point, which there we go, break even on dollar yen. Now looking to start taking some profit on euro dollar. Gonna take 1 lot off here for 10 pips. 2-to-1 reward to risk. Risk 5 in the original position for 10. And you know what? I'm just going to take 10 on the full position. So a quick, just under 200 bucks after commission on the euro dollar here, playing that trade. And I'm going to hold on to the dollar yen on 1 position if I can, and play the overall yen weakness. See if we can get some of that momentum to help us out. It just goes to show, patience pays. We had some guys in the room that traded that level when it came up to 60 that I originally let pass. I was waiting for a little bit better, and they did well with it, but it wasn't to my liking, and just being patient, waiting for this main level I was looking for anyways, ended up paying out. And you can see I just got stopped out of here on dollar yen for break even. So overall about 200 bucks in the trade, and now looking for another opportunity if we get it. If not, we'll be back again tomorrow to do it all over again. Nice active appetizer trade, and go ahead and move stop to break even as soon as possible. We'll set a 5-point stop now at 47 and see if we can get a bounce off this level. A lot of volatility going on in the markets right now, and we've had a ton of opportunities through October, and November sparking to be another excellent month. We have non-farm payrolls coming up this Friday, which will be exciting, and definitely one of the funner events to watch in the FX market for the month. Main thing, members, if you're watching this video now, watch our 1 minute PMDs and see we're losing momentum, which I'm going to give this another minute or two, and if I'm still not at break even, I'll go ahead and close the trade, whether I'm up a couple pips or down a couple pips. I just don't like to see lingering action. More times than not, when it lingers at a level, it's just pretty much, refueling up to make a further push in that same direction, which I'd rather, take a smaller loss, or, maybe even take in a couple pips and reposition myself at a lower level, if that's the case, as opposed to holding on to a trade and, just trying to get lucky with it. All right, guys, it's we're only up about 2.5 pips right now, but I'm not willing to assume a loss on this. We've already been in the trade for going on probably about 4 minutes now. So it's either going to work or we'll take a break even. Regardless, not going to take any loss on the trade anymore. All right, guys, with how price action is right now, I'm going to go ahead and just try to take 5-6 points on the trade if I can get it here. You can see the 1 minute PMDs are working against us and really starting to separate here. So there's a good chance we're going to continue to push down. And I didn't get in the trade to originally make 5 pips out of it, but I'm respecting the market conditions and just taking what the market provided me, and I'll come back and look for another trading opportunity. But here's 5.5 here. Go ahead and lock in. All right, guys, well, that's it for today. It's about 11:15 over here on Eastern time right now. Just had those couple trades on euro dollar and the break even on dollar yen. So again, hope you guys found the video useful. If you have any questions, post your comment below, and look forward to seeing you guys in the room tomorrow. Take it easy.